Let's make some money!
Everyone in position.
I thought we'd be robbing banks by now. That's some gas truck in the middle of nowhere.
Down here, gas is gold, papa.
Sí, pero los fucking bancos no se mueven, ¿sabes?
Dile que la última vez que te fuiste a robar un banco te tuvimos que sacar de preso.
Kill the chatter. Game time.
I wouldn't piss them off, guys.
Ya estoy. Toma. ¿Ves? Hey, una comelona.
Okay, guys, we're gonna have to hit this hard and fast. We got 4K left before the downgrade.
¡Arturo! ¡Opa! ¡Dale, dale!
This is all you, hon. Liquid gold.
Very clear.
Okay, T, you're up.
Let's see if you can get under 6 tries this time, huh, T?
Papi, ¿qué tú estás hablando? Yo hago esto de una, pai.
It's more like 3. Come on, Tego, keep it real.
There's 1K left. We're running out of road. Get in there, brother.
Got it, I got it.
Come on. Oh, shit. T and cut loose. On the edge. On the edge. ¡Loco, suéltalo!
Con la boca es un mamey, cabrón.
¡Coño, déjalo caer!
Hijo de tu madre.